Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to get that heart pumping and those muscles working? Today, we've got an amazing, full body workout that you can do right at home. No equipment needed, just you, your energy, and a little bit of space. So grab your water bottle, put on your favorite workout tunes, and let's get started together. We're going to kick things off with a quick warm-up to get your body ready and prevent injuries. Let's start with some gentle neck rolls, side to side, and then forward and back. Good. Now, let's move to some big arm circles, forward for 5 and backward for 5. Feel that stretch in your shoulders. Now, let's do some torso twists to wake up our core. Keep your feet planted and twist from your waist. Awesome. Finally, let's get those legs moving with some high knees. Bring them up, one after the other. Just 30 more seconds here. You're doing great. Keep that energy up. Alright, warm-up complete. Now for the main event. We have 4 exercises, and we'll do each one for 45 seconds with a 15-second rest in between. We'll go through 3 full rounds. Ready? First up, classic jumping jacks. Let's go. Keep it light on your feet and get those arms all the way up. This is fantastic for getting your heart rate up. Stay with me. We're almost there. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Next up, we have squats. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, and let's go. Lower your hips as if you're sitting in a chair. Keep your chest up and your back straight. Push through your heels to come back up. Feel that burn in your glutes and quads? That's the feeling of getting stronger. You've got this. Keep breathing. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Now, we're heading down to the floor for push-ups. You can do these on your toes or on your knees. Both are great. Let's begin. Keep your core tight and your body in a straight line from your head to your heels or knees. Lower your chest toward the floor and push back up. Each one counts. Just a few more seconds. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Our final exercise is mountain climbers. Get into a high plank position. Let's go. Drive your knees toward your chest, one at a time, like you're running in place. Keep your hips low and your pace steady. This is a killer for your core and cardio. You are crushing it. Let's finish this round strong. 3, 2, 1, and that's round 1 done. Take a quick sip of water. We've got 2 more rounds to go. Let's keep this incredible energy going. Amazing job today, everyone. You pushed through, you stayed strong, and you should be incredibly proud of yourself for showing up. Remember, consistency is key. If you enjoyed this workout, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Let me know in the comments how you felt after this workout. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.